Good morning, students.
Can't.
Today, let us discuss a poem that is Digging. The poem is written by Seamus Heaney. Seamus Heaney is a poet from Northern Ireland. He belongs to farming family. He went to England to study English language and literature in the Belmont, in Queen's University in Belmont, that is in England. Okay, he wrote so many poems, out of which the death of a naturalist, it is a collection of many poems. This volume won many awards to him. Not only that, he also received Nobel Prize in Literature in 1995. These are the, and also he his works, his works or his poems deals with his native country, that is Ireland, and also about his family background and family history. So these are the main points about the poet Seamus Heaney. Once again, look at the recap of the details of the poet. Seamus Heaney, he belongs to farming family. He born in the Ireland. He went to England to study English language and literature in Queen's University in Belmont, that is in England. His first collection of poems won many awards, that is The Death of a Naturalist. He received Nobel Prize in Literature in 1995. In his poems, he mentions about his family legacy, about his family history, his own family history, and also about his country, that is Ireland. These are the main points about the poet Seamus Heaney. Let us look at the actual poem. The title is Digging. What is the meaning digging? Digging means you are exploring something, you are finding out something. For that purpose, you search. That is digging. Here, digging relate to one agricultural activity. Generally, farmers dig in fields for the as a part of their farming operational activities. Okay, you know very well, because we are all coming from rural areas. Our fathers, ours are also ours is also farming families. Majority of our students belongs to farming community. So we generally we see so many parents and grandparents, they worked in their fields relentlessly. Okay, and a few of them, after one generation after the another generation, but all the people, they do not doing the same work, agricultural work. They may do some other work other than agricultural work. They may doing some job, they are doing some business, they are doing some other activity instead of farming. Okay, so that's why in this poem the poet Seamus Heaney, he recollect his father and his grandfather's expertise in doing the farming operational works. Okay, what the speaker in this poem is poet Seamus Heaney. One day he is sitting beside the window to start write a poem. His pen, holding his pen between his fingers like a snug, that means just like a small gun. Okay, so his thoughts are not coming properly. That's why he is thinking about what to write, what to write. So he look at his garden through that window where he sat beside it. He saw his father is doing some gardening work. He is looking at him. His father is drilling or digging something, digging a flower bed. All some pebbles are there, ground, all the ground is filled with pebbles, small stones, etc. So he used different tools of digging, spade, shovel, etc. So he looked at his skillness. Even though he become his father a old man, he is doing that work very perfectly, holding that spade in his hand in a very very perfect manner, like a snug in his hand. So the poet admires his father's skillness in doing the agricultural works. He also recollects his grandfather's talent also. When the speaker was a child, he used to take milk to his grandfather where grandfather is working in the farm. After drinking milk, immediately he started his work without taking any rest. So his grandfather as well as his father, they are doing their agricultural works without any rest, relentlessly. So the poet admires at their skillness and their continuity in doing the same work for the generations together. That admires him a lot, and started praising them, started recognizing them, started glorify their work. Okay, so in simple, this poem is about work. This poem is about only work. Okay, let us discuss the summary of the poem. It is as I already told you, this is the poem about work, agricultural work done by father and grandfather. So as I told just now, his father, who is a farmer, farmer. First farmer is FORMER, farmer means previous, old. Farmer, peasant. So the speaker or the poet, father is a farmer, isn't it? So he is working outside the ground. He admires his father's determination. Generally, some people, village people, especially who work in fields, they don't want to take rest unnecessarily. They want to busy always with some other work, some work or the other, related to field, related to cattle, like that. You may have seen these things. Those people in our villages also, they don't take rest. They want to do something in the field or in cow shed, etc. Okay, so this type of his father's relentless work, it motivates the speaker. It gives inspiration to the speaker. He is an old man. Even though he is an old man, he is doing his work, the ground work, that is in the garden work, without relaxing. That inspiration is come to the speaker's mind. So it elevates this poem digging. It elevates manual labor. He is doing digging means with manual work. It is a manual work, not psychological work. Writing poem is a psychological work. Thinking process should be involved in writing. But in digging, only manual. Manual work means using hands. Okay, like that. Manual power, muscle power, we have to use in digging activity. So, but writing itself is a kind of work. The poet is a poet. who writes poems. It is also a kind of work, he notices. So, in the poem, in the opening poem, Digging, the speaker is poised to start writing. His poem is hovering on the page. No idea is coming to his mind. So that's why his pen is not moving on his paper. What to write? So you look at his garden, where his father is working. Okay, so all his memories, bring back his memories, childhood memories, he recollected. So this is some people think that this gardening work is just like a time pass work, but the speaker did not look that work in that sense, because he knows very well how his father worked in the farm. Okay, so and also he admired, the poet admired, even though his father was a old man, he admired because his father holding the shade or shovel, that means tools used to dig perfectly and doing that work. If you look at anybody who is doing some work in the field, we can understand easily, oh, this man is expert in doing this work. He is experienced, good enough experience in doing this work. We can understand because of their posture, holding, the way they hold the tools, everything. It says he is a perfect worker in doing that particular work. We come to very easily we can understand. So the poet also, he admired the skill, the technique he used to. With the technique, some people do heavy works with less toil, less effort. With less effort, they do lot of work with technique. His father, the speaker's father, is also using his technique in digging. So this potato drills, he is drilling potatoes, Bangala Dumpal. So he is digging with that shovel, the potato drills. Okay, so this is the way expertise. He analyze the speaker praise the expertise of his father, how he is working, like that. So this is the about his father. Like his father, his grandfather also, the speakers or the poet's grandfather also was a man of determination, hard work and skilled person. So when he recounts how, when the speaker was a boy, he took some milk to his grandfather where he was working while digging in the field. The grandfather drank the milk and got straight back to work without taking any rest. It shows his commitment, his determination. Work is first. So without that memory is still in his remembrance of the, he recollects, he recounts that memory of his grandfather. So it is that physical activity of act of digging, it inspiration to him to write poems. Generally, poets draws inspiration from other poems or other poets, but here the poet Seamus Heaney, he drew inspiration from his father and grandfather's art of work, or what you call act of work in a perfect manner. That expertise, that skillness, inspiration, gives inspiration to the poet Seamus Heaney to write the poems. So that is why this is the poem. His father and grandfather, they provide a model to the speaker to approach, how to approach to one's work. Excuse me. how to approach one's work, how to accomplish one's work. The father and the poet's father and grandfather are his role model for his activity. The speaker's work is writing poems. So this is the inspiration coming from his father and grandfather. So, though works are two types, manual work and imaginative work. Writing poem is an imaginative work. It is not a, of course, some poems are based on reality, but majority of poems comes out from the imagination of the poet, isn't it? So, manual work and imaginative works both are opposite works, but his father and grandfather who did manual work got they gave inspiration to the poet to do imagination work, that is writing poems of the poet. So this is the another types of imaginative very differently. Writing present, writing in the last stanzas of the poem, the poet concludes that writing is also one kind of labor, manual labor, digging, physical work. Of course, it is all one side, but writing with imaginative powers, with thinking power, it is also one kind of labor. So both are same. He wants to continue his grandfather and father's legacy through his writings. They created one history, one legacy. He wants to continue that legacy through writing his poems. That's why he elevates his grandfathers and fathers' expertise in their working of farming or something, any related work regarding to agricultural works. This is the summary of the poem. Thank you.